What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So yep, you saw it right here in a beautifully type of gel sky blue white box. Yep, you got it. Megan Racing rear strut tower bar. Beautiful piece, beautiful, nicely polished, really nice design. And as you guys know, your boys know how to find all the good deals. Got this bad boy for $80. But the reason why I got this is because, so I was on the highway and I passed this guy with a BMW who had a nice camber behind. So we were coming up on this road. Now we're doing, you know, in Mexico 65-70 miles an hour. Now we're going around this big ass corner, and let me tell you, this guy was hitting that corner at the same speed or even higher. I'm talking about like it was nothing. Now I actually have a very aggressive fitment on my tires, really nice fitment, so I'm holding the road. And let me tell you, I actually had to slow down, and I know how to corner because I've owned many motorcycles and stuff like that before, so I actually look where I need to be. So when you look where you need to be, your hands follow. You get what I'm saying? If you know how to ride motorcycles. So, and the car just couldn't hold it because I could feel that body roll. And I was like, so I met up with him, you know, we pulled over, I said, what's up? And you know, he had a nice suspension on there. His tires were freaking cambered, so he was just definitely sticking to the road. But his suspension, he had a front, rear strut tower brace, like the whole nine. Now this guy doesn't track his car or anything, but it's a street car and it has some power. It's a really nice BMW he had. So, but anyway, I was like, yo, I need to freaking get this shit done. So piece by piece, I started doing some research where I'm doing the rear first, then I'll probably do the front, then we're gonna see about coilover, stuff like that. But the reason why you want this, or you would need something like this, is where this is gonna bolt up to the rear strut towers. And what it's mainly designed to do, you're literally connecting both towers. So when you're undergoing like a really hard turn or very evasive driving, like track use, what it's designed to do, since you're linking both towers, you're transferring that energy to the suspension so it can actually do a better job and serve their purpose more effectively. You get what I'm saying? So, and that's how you help decrease body roll, because now you're linking both of the shock towers. So as I said, this is what I need to do, and let's get on with the install. All right guys, real simple install. See this piece that was cut out? That's this piece right here. Subaru knew that you're gonna be modifying the shit out of this car, so most of this stuff is just staples. It's actually in a cutout design already, so you literally, you could just fold this back, fold this piece back right here. See that piece right there? You can either cut that, oh, see that? And it's literally staples, and just cut out, it's literally staples, just cut out that piece at the end and you're straight. And what you just got to do, guys, these are the two bolts right here for the strut tower. You take those off, guys. Remember, do not put your car in the air. You don't want this shit falling out, obviously. So take off the hardware, line up your strut tower brace. Once everything is lined up, then you tighten it down last. Alright guys, couple things to know before I start tightening this down. You are obviously going to need a 5/16 Allen wrench. You're going to need that. This is a 14 millimeter socket, by the way. Once you have everything seated properly, obviously give it a wiggle. Hand tighten them first. Hand tighten everything first after you wiggle. Make sure you shake the car and whatnot. Now, once everything is seated in the right place, food for thought, make sure the Megan Racing symbol or emblem is facing you, facing the rear of the car, just in case. Make sure that's facing the rear of the car. And oh, by the way, this mat can slide right under it. Just fold the edges. You can just slide it back. And now afterwards, if you want, you can cut this to fit that if you know, as for aesthetics, I guess. And once you have everything fitted right, torque it down to around 15 foot-pounds and then just take it for a spin. All right, guys, shine this bad boy up real quick. It's getting a little dark, but look how beautiful that shit looks. And your boy is nice with a pair of scissors, man. Just eyeballing it, cut that bad boy. So it's just only this little piece is showing right there, just for aesthetics. And as I said, oh, by the way, you saw me drilling, well, not drilling, but bolting in the nuts with a drill, but my drill actually has a torque spec on it, so I actually put it on a light torque spec, bolted them down, and then finish it up with this bad boy right here. And that's really it, guys. Definitely like, subscribe, and I'm about to take this bad boy for a test drive right now to check this shit out. Test drive. Definitely I took it out before. Definitely you can feel the response. It's definitely holding together nicely too. Wow. And that's just from the rear. Holy shit. Good thing is I have some really aggressive tires because I'm running, you know, 19 by 9.5, not the usual. It's pretty damn, it feels like it's holding the road nicely. And I'm telling you, before, that body roll was insane. Megan Racing. But I think, you know, for the most part, any strut bar would do the same thing. Any strut bar would actually do the same thing. It all depends on, you know, who you get. So it doesn't matter if it's Megan Racing, Perrin, or whoever. There's pretty much designed to do the same thing. Some of them are hollow. I would watch out for that. This is a really, really nice piece, so just be careful with what you're buying and do the research. But from what I saw from reviews, the price point was freaking great, and honestly, the build quality is freaking exceptional. The reviews were exceptional, and as I said, the price point was magnificent. But anyway, guys, definitely like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon.